Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Jay here, Overtime Traders. Okay, so just gonna go over a few setups that I'm looking at for this week on the forex market. So the market opens today. That's November the 15th. Okay, and just gonna go over what I'm looking at coming up this week. So first, we're gonna start off by looking at our calendar. Okay, so for let's see here for today, mm, when you don't have much, I look at the impact, guys. So I look at the color of these folders here at the impact. What how it's going to impact the peers, whatever peer today. But there's not much happening today, right? So let's open this up and look forward to tomorrow. So tomorrow, Monday, which is, let's see here. So we got a red folder. That's a high impact folder here. So that's going to impact the AUD pairs, which is the Aussie, Australian dollar. Okay, so the government looks like they're going to be speaking, and that will have some impact. So basically, what I'm going to do is, I'll wait, to see the reactions of these Aussie pairs. I only trade probably about three pairs, and so I'll take a look at those and the impact, what the government says, and what the forecast turn out to be. And so again, we got another Aussie folder here. And that's a monetary policy meeting minutes. So this again will have some impact on on the um, the Australian dollar. Okay, Reserve Bank of Australia. Australia. Okay. All right, and let's move it on down. So that's Monday. Okay, let's move on down to Tuesday. And Tuesday, there's another red folder here. And that's the OPEC JMMC meeting. That I'm not sure of the impact that will necessarily have. That's basically dealing with the oil uh, situations. So moving on down, we got the US red folder. So core retail sales and retail sales here again, right? So these will impact the USD. Okay, so you want to keep your eyes out for any fundamentals like this. Okay, if you trade USD pairs, I mainly trade the GBP pairs. EURUSD is one of my peers as well, so I'll keep an eye out on that. Moving on down, we've got another red folder. It's the Australian dollar again, and that's government low speaks RBA. Okay, so again, the Australian dollar. Wednesday, moving on to Wednesday, We have the Canadian dollar that's 9 a.m. So that's basically when the market, the stock market, just after open, we'll get the Canadian fundamental news here. Okay, so for the CAD, USD CAD pairs, those you want to keep your eyes um, on those on this news here. Okay, change goods and price services. All right, so moving on down. Again, we got the odd. So employment change, unemployment rates again for the Australian dollar. This looks like it's going to be a busy week for our Australian dollar. So our Aussie Euro pairs, Aussie GBP, Aussie USD, are those pairs are going to definitely have some kind of reaction this week. There's a lot of news coming out of Australia. Again, with the pandemic that's happening right now in Europe, um, in Australia, so you want to keep the eye on those. Brexit, right? Um, so you want to keep your eyes on the Australian dollar. Again, the Canadian dollar. Okay, wow. NF. NF. Wow, this is the Canadian dollar coming up here. Non-farm employment. Okay, that will have some impact. ADP. That will have some impact on the Canadian dollar, and that's Thursday morning. Again, around um, that New York Stock Exchange open. All right, so that's Thursday going down to Friday. Not so much happening. Okay, and back to next week. So that's a week outlook on our fundamentals. So let's get on to the charts here. Basically, here, what I'm looking at is our. I'm looking at gold. Um, so here I'm looking at gold. Last week, gold took a dip, and it had came back up to the 1887 mark. Um, I'm looking for gold to go higher. It took out some liquidity right here. So right here, gold took out some liquidity. So that candle right here, boom, came down, took out some liquidity, and now we're moving higher. So if I go down to the lower time frame, okay, see, and this right here took it out. Okay, higher high, higher low, high, and then we keep going. Okay, go down lower. You can see definitely on the H1 right here, we are looking, we're definitely moving up. Okay, so that's basically Thursday, Friday. We are, we're moving up. All right. So I am looking for gold to go higher. All right. We are definitely looking for gold to go up to about here. Okay. So I'm looking for gold to go within the next week or so. Okay. I'm looking for it to hit 1933 up here. So a lot of A lot of open here. Okay, a lot of imbalance. We're looking to fill some of those. So I'm looking next week that gold definitely should go higher. And that's one thing I'm looking at. I'm also looking at Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD. Also, let's see here. So right now we're definitely on a retracement. Okay, high, high, low, high. We're looking now. Last week I took a trade here. I took a trade here. So we are looking. I am definitely looking for gold to fill right here. Okay, we are. I'm looking to for gold to head up on up. Sorry, Euro USD. My bad. To fill a lot of this right here. Okay, right here. Okay, so I'm looking for gold to go to. Sorry, I keep saying gold. Euro USD to hit 1.1858. Right. And it could go as high as 1.8895. Okay, and it's Euro USD. I'm definitely bullish on it. Okay, definitely bullish on Euro USD. Okay, because in the last little bit, we've been making since this candle took out this liquidity here. Up, we had a little retracement, and then we're gonna move higher. All right, and we just broke right here. So definitely, I am definitely bullish on Euro USD. Also, I am looking at Euro GBP. There we go. GBP. That's another pair that I am looking at. Looking at the daily here, we were in a downtrend. This day here we broke. Okay, we closed at this high, and we're in a little bit of retracement here on the lower time frame. I am also looking for Euro GBP to head up. Okay, we're definitely accumulating right now on the lower time frame. I'm also looking for Euro GBP to move higher. Okay, GBP USD. Moving on to GBP USD. So GU is definitely let's see on the daily. So okay, so we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, broke, retrace back, higher high, lows, higher high. Okay, we are definitely looking to go higher. Okay, I'm bullish on GU. Okay, let's see our fib there. We came back into here. Okay. and that's on the H4. Okay, so definitely GU, we're looking to go higher, because we also broke on our H1 here. We broke these highs here. We closed above, so I am definitely looking for GU to go higher. You know, we could also wait for a little bit of pullback. Okay, it did come into this imbalance here, so we could have got in right here. Definitely. Okay, if we want to play. Okay, so definitely we could have got in here. We could wait for a bit more of a retracement, okay, to these levels. Okay, those are all liquidity. So we could come as low as around this mark here. So that's 1.31772. So we could come back down here just to uh to make some so we can definitely come back down here. Definitely could come back down here just to move higher. Okay. There's also another pair that I was looking at. GBPCAD. GBPCAD. Yep, it was the same thing. We're definitely bullish on GCAD. Look at this trend. Oops. There we go. Okay. So that's a nice trend right there. Okay, so we keep bouncing off this line. So definitely, if we broke, we could come lower to go higher, or we could just keep making higher highs, higher lows, and keep moving up. Okay. All right. So those are some of the pairs that I'm looking at. These setups. There's also NZD, NZDUSD. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. So NZDUSD. Again, this may go higher. Okay. If we check on our lower time frame, we kept making higher highs, higher lows. All right. So we could definitely come back down into these levels. Could come back down here. We could retrace to come back to go higher. Okay, because there's a lot of imbalances down on the downside, and there's also liquidity. Okay, so definitely we could take that out, come back lower to continue going. So NZD, I'm definitely bullish. Just got to keep an eye out on it, and we will see what's happening with the other peers. Again, there's a lot of news coming out from Australia. It's gonna be definitely volatile. Okay, so AUDCAD looks. Let's see here. We're definitely in an uptrend. It's a wick right here. We took out some liquidity, and we're gonna go up. Right, so we're on a downtrend here, and then we're reversing. So again, a lot of news coming out. We just gotta wait and see, and we definitely could move higher. Okay, see that push there. Oops. All right, definitely we can definitely go higher. All right, we can wait for a little retracement. All right, so I am not settling on anything on the AUD pairs. So I'm basically waiting to see what's going to happen. All right, so guys, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. We're definitely going to be doing our Sunday outlooks for the week ahead. Okay, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one.